icy. It's cold. I think it's -7 degrees Celsius. Don't know what it is in Fahrenheit. 30 maybe. Show you the view of the descent from Holmenkollen and down to Oslo city, and maybe then some down on the highway. So that's gonna be today's video. I have to apologize for my bad English in the last video, because that was, it's not really up to my standards. I was a little more tired than I thought I was, and I fumbled with words and didn't find just enjoy this little ride. Right here we have some very bad road. I don't know why they haven't maintained this bit of road, because this is one of the most expensive areas in Oslo or close by. So why they haven't got to fix this road or bit of road, I don't know. But it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. So we're getting on to better tarmac now already, so it's not a long bit. So I just, for once, I thought I'd talk you through the trip. Right now we're getting the first glimpse of the Oslo fjord. We have the sun against us, so that might affect how good things look on camera, but do the best out of it. It's a fantastic view. This is the best part of Oslo, as I reckon, because I don't like Oslo. I used to say that the best part of Oslo, or the best thing about Oslo, is to leave. The sensation of freedom when you drive out from the city and just leave it behind. That's the best part of Oslo for me, but well, I'm not a city boy. I can do very, very good without cities. So I go in here for work and that's it. Maybe if my wife urges me to go in for some shopping, it have happened, but not very often. There's a lot of other places outside the city you can do shopping, so and once in a while, okay, you need to go in there, but I'd rather not. It's funny because here it's a little bit a short stretch of winter. That's because the snow cannons are working. There's a large ski area here, and I don't know well how good you will see it because it's the other camera filming the other way, the GoPro, and I don't see the picture on the GoPro screen. It's got black. I know it's filming, but on our right is Holmenkollen ski jumping site. I'm not going to use time to stop there right now, I think. Or maybe I should just humor you by taking a little short detour. I think I will. So there it is. People jump down that hill. It's well known. It's shown on TV. So yeah. I'm just gonna turn around and get back on the road. They even have their own ski lift right there to get the jumpers out to the tower. It's kind of cool. And here you being ill and going to a place where it's thousands of people, that's not a good idea. I don't know if it's the energy of all those people or it's just the noise, but being packed in with thousands of people, that's absolutely no good. Normally sound doesn't bother me or bother my pain, but it's something about the energy of a lot of people that gets to me and I get worse. So I'd rather stay alone or with a few people. That's much better. So as we are swinging down this downhill from Holmenkollen, you get a panoramic view of the whole thing. Taking off the excavator off the truck, I take my time on it because I don't want to risk the machine to start to slide or anything, and I have not done it very often. And normally I just try to find a pile of gravel or something I can back into and don't have that steep exit, but today it was not possible, so I just had to cope with it. It went all right, just in my time. I don't want to be one of those guys who falls out of the truck and tip over the excavator and get myself hurt. It's better to use a minute extra and do it properly. And I'm not in a rush. I'm going back to Tønsberg, probably doing 1 or 2 holes of gravel. That would be it. So it's a short day anyway. Yes. Have to let the old ladies pass. So the truck I'm driving, I don't know if I mentioned that before, or maybe I said a little bit of it. It's a 2008 Volvo FF, 480 horsepower. So it's a little bit old for a truck in daily use. And the company is going to do something about that, so when 2024 turns into 2025, I'm probably getting a new truck. Not brand new, but new to us. So we're speaking maybe 2020, 2019, something like that, year model. And yeah, that's gonna be nice to have a truck with functioning air conditioning, for example. Jake brake that works, because this one doesn't work anymore. I have brakes, but no Jake brake or exhaust brake. And overall better comfort, better standard. A fridge in the truck, so I can keep cold drinks at all time. Great. And most of those newer trucks is going to have, or they have that as standard. and Scania does. It's only Volvo and Scania that is the two options for us. We're not gonna buy Mercedes. I made myself very clear on that. I used to like Mercedes. I had a concrete truck that was Mercedes. See if I find a picture of it and put it out here. But after the new generation came with Arox, I didn't like them. I never felt good. Thought the cabin was way too wiggly, and yeah, I just couldn't get it. I know many do, but I don't. So, but that old Actros I had was very good car, especially in construction. While driving concrete on gravel roads and mountain roads up in Holmenkollen, it was a fantastic truck. Except for one drive shaft failure once, it never failed. Yeah, and I had an air leak once, but it wasn't an old truck though. But then I got a 2014 Volvo F-Max right before I got ill and had to stop working there, and that was a fantastic truck. So yeah, it's Volvo or Scania. I rather would have Scania, but for several reasons it's probably going to be a Volvo with a 540 engine. The bigger engines would be nice, but they're known to have some troubles, so try to stay away from those. And just yeah, do our best. So that's probably the last glimpse of Oslo Fjord in the distance. No, there's more around here. As weird as it might sound for some people,